This is a tutorial to install the subcase water-resistant case for Samsung Galaxy S7. The water-resistant full-body protective case comes with 3 interchangeable back covers and protects your phone from drops, impact, and water. To install your device, first separate the silicone from the hard plastic shell. Pull the silicone from the bottom right corner of the case and go completely around until the silicone has separated. Try not to pull from any ports or plugs. Once the silicone has been separated from the case, place your phone face down into the front case while applying slight pressure on the corners. At this point, you should be able to see your screen. Before installing the hard case, make sure your phone camera is aligned with the cutouts of the case. Fit the edges into the port covers and slide your phone into the water-resistant case. The edges are slightly flexible and will fit tightly around your phone. To install the back plate, simply snap the back plate of your choice onto the back of the phone until secure. You can remove the plate by snapping it off from any corner and changing up your style. This case does include 3 interchangeable back covers that come in space gray, white, and gold.